Blue, blue, balue, balue, blue, blue, blue. I want to show them your beautiful eyes. Blue. He ignores me all the time. Come on. Okay, can you shush, please? I'm making my YouTube video. My sister. Hey, Blue. Hi, Maze. Maze, can you come here? Hi, Maze. You got wet. You got wet by the rain. Where's Oreo? Oreo cookie dough. Oreo. What in the world? Why is the light on? Huh? Who cares? But Blue. Blue. Oh, aren't you a good boy? Aren't you a good boy? Aren't you? Are you? Oh, yes you are. Hey guys. This is my third dog, Blue. Oh. He is the most beautiful dog I had. Oh. He's only one color all over his whole body. He might have dark fur right here. It's because he's wet. He got rained on. I don't know why, because there's a porch so he can get on. And I wonder where my little Oreos are. Oreo cookie dough. You guys, where's Oreo? Where's Oreo?
We don't know where Oreo is.
I better find her. Hey, Booze. Hi, Dad.
Hello, Allison. Oreo's gone.
Oreo! Hi, Oreo. Oh, your eyes flash. Yeah. Oh. Got any questions about my dogs? Just ask me, and I'll answer them soon. Bye.